Great morning, 7th class student. Proceeding toward our next topic is the concave and the convex mirror. Concave mirror or convex mirror. Any smooth or polished surface which reflect a ray of light is called a mirror. Any smooth or polished surface जो ray of light को reflect करेगा, जहाँ से reflection होगा, any polished surface or any smooth surface, that is called a mirror. This is the definition of mirror. Any smooth or polished surface which can reflect a ray of light is called a mirror. When the reflecting surface is plane, जब भी reflecting surface plane होगा, then it is called plane mirror. Then it is called plane mirror. But when a mirror with spherical or curved reflecting surface, but जब भी कोई mirror spherical और covered reflecting surface होगा उसका, that means that is called spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. A spherical mirror is also called so because it is a part of hollow sphere. This spherical mirror, this is a spherical mirror. This is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror. A spherical mirror is called so because it is a part of hollow sphere. Spherical mirror is a part of hollow sphere. Spherical mirror are of two types. There are two types of spherical mirrors we are going to discuss. First one is the concave mirror. This one is the concave mirror. Are the mirror whose reflecting surface is covered inward. Its reflecting surface is in inward direction. This is the concave mirror having reflecting surface in inward direction. And this is the convex mirror whose reflecting surface is from outward direction. यहाँ concave mirror में जो reflection होगा from this side, the rays will come and get reflected, and in the convex side the reflection will take place from here, whose reflecting surface is covered in outward direction. Clear to everyone? Next is the topic formation of images in spherical mirror. Next is the topic formation of images in spherical mirror. This is the concave side and next one is the convex side. Next one is the formation of image in spherical mirror. This is the concave side of a spoon and this is the convex side. The reflecting surface of spherical mirror is curved. Reflecting surface जो होगा spherical mirror का curved shape में होगा. So a shining stainless spoon can curve as well. जो spoon होता है वो भी curve होता है. If you observe it carefully, you will find that the back of spoon curve outward. Back of the spoon is covered in outward direction and serve as the convex mirror. Convex mirror की तरह act करेगा. This back of the spoon. This is the back of the spoon. Back of the spoon covered in outward direction and serve as the convex mirror, whereas the front side of the spoon, which curve inward and hollow from the inside, serve as the concave mirror. Concave mirror की तरह act करेगा. If you look at the concave side of a spoon, you will see your inverted image. अगर हम concave side में देखेंगे spoon की, you can able to see your inverted image. This is the inverted image. The convex side of the spoon, on the other hand, show the erect image. The convex side of the spoon shows our erect image. This serve as convex mirror, and this side of the spoon, front side of the spoon, serve as the concave side. It gives your image in inverted direction. Clear to everyone? See here, the spoon also serve as the concave mirror and convex mirror. When you see the front side of the spoon, it acts as the concave mirror. It gives the inverted image. And when you look at the back side of the spoon, it acts as the convex mirror and gives your erect image. Clear to everyone? I think clear to everyone. Next is the how to distinguish between a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. कैसे डिस्टिंग्विश करेंगे प्लेन मिरर को, कनकेव मिरर को और कन्वेक्स मिरर को. प्लेन मिरर, कनकेव मिरर, convex mirror can be distinguished on the basis of image they form. They can be distinguished on the basis of the image they form when the object is placed quite close to them. तो कैसे पता चलेगा प्लेन मिरर है, कनकेव मिरर है या कन्वेक्स मिरर है? जब भी हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को उस मिरर के साथ में रखेंगे when the object is placed close to them. Under such condition, प्लेन मिरर के केस में क्या होगा? प्लेन मिरर form a virtual and erect image of the same size as that of the object. प्लेन मिरर वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म करेगा ऑफ द सेम साइज एज दैट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, जो ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज है सेम उसी साइज की ही एक वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म हो जाएगी। कनकेव मिरर फॉर्म वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड मैग्नीफाइड इमेज। कनकेव मिरर में वर्चुअल इरेक्ट मैग्नीफाइड बड़ा करके दिखाता है। सी द कनकेव मिरर, डेंटिस्ट इज यूजिंग द कनकेव मिरर टू मैग्नीफाई द इमेज ऑफ द टीथ, to enlarge the structure of the teeth. So this is the magnified image. Concave mirror always show the magnified image. Next is the convex mirror. Convex mirror form a virtual, erect and diminished image. Convex mirror always form a virtual, erect and diminished image. Convex mirror is used as a side view mirror. Side view mirror in case of many vehicles to diminish all the view in that mirror. Side mirror में यूज किया जाता है in many vehicles to diminish the structure of image. सभी स्ट्रक्चर का जो diminish छोटे में हम देख पाएंगे स्ट्रक्चर्स को convex mirror की हेल्प से। Clear to everyone? Further we will continue our next topic next video. Thank you बेटे।